We taught artificial intelligence to recognize everything, and now it recognizes your food. Welcome to the future of nutrition. This isn't a gadget, this is a revolution, and it's right here in my hands. The official price is $820. And now, let me show you their official presentation materials. This is the Nutria X1 app, the heart of the entire system. Here you see everything the AI plate Nutria X1 analyzes in real time. Calories, nutrients, portion size, and detailed food breakdown. The interface updates instantly as you eat, giving you clear, simple insights without any extra effort. Every button responds smoothly. Every section comes alive, making healthy eating finally easy, intuitive, and fully under your control. And now, it's time to talk about the features of this smart AI plate. First, automatic food heating. The plate maintains the perfect serving temperature for as long as you're eating. No rushing, no cold meals, just consistently warm food right on your plate. At the very center of the plate is a built-in high-resolution camera. It analyzes every meal, its shape, color, texture, and even the type of food you place on it. The camera works together with artificial intelligence to recognize your meals more accurately than most mobile apps. And it all happens quietly, automatically, without any effort from you. But there is one important nuance. The food should be placed around the camera so it doesn't block its view. It measures the weight of every ingredient with incredible precision, instantly, automatically, and without a single mistake. You simply place the food on the plate and the system does the rest. Scientists have discovered a remarkable fact. Our perception of taste is directly influenced by the way food is presented. When a meal looks aesthetic, when the lighting is right and the colors, shapes, and textures are subtly highlighted, the brain automatically perceives it as richer, better, and more flavorful. Even when the ingredients are exactly the same, visual aesthetics can amplify the enjoyment of food many times over. That is why this smart plate features its own gentle, warm, aesthetic lighting. It carefully highlights every element of the dish, enhances the natural colors of the ingredients, and creates a restaurant-like presentation right in your home. This lighting is not just decoration. It makes every meal more pleasant, more satisfying, and truly more delicious. The AI plate Nutria X1 monitors the speed at which you eat. And if your pace becomes too fast, the system gently recommends slowing down. This helps digestion, prevents overeating, and encourages a more mindful, comfortable eating experience. The plate also remembers what and when you've eaten, creating your personal nutrition history. It shows what you've improved, where your habits have become healthier, and what can still be adjusted, helping your diet evolve day by day, effortlessly. And if your portion is too large, the system notices immediately. The app softly suggests, "We recommend reducing the portion. This is 30% above the normal range." It's not strict control, but a caring reminder that helps you stay balanced every single day. What do you think about this technology? Would you buy a plate like this? And do you believe it's actually worth its price? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm genuinely interested in your opinion. And most importantly, I showcase the most insane and incredible devices out there, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay ahead of everything new, the very first in the world of technology.